Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh OB. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement drive from Cognizant. So in this video, we'll discuss all the things such as the education qualification, about the job role, about the location of the job, and about the company. So we'll discuss everything one need to know for application of this job. So please stay tuned to the video till the end so that you can get complete idea over this video. And if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I keep uploading these kind of videos on a regular basis. So if you are looking for different types of job opportunities, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. So in today's video, we'll talk about one job opportunity from Cognizant. So let's move forward with that video. So first of all, we'll talk about Cognizant. So Cognizant is an American multinational product-led digital corporation that provides digital products, digital IT services, including digital technology, consulting and operations services. It sells digital products on cloud-based data engineering, model-based testing tools, process automation tools, and it is headquartered in New Jersey, that is in United States. So this is the information regarding the company. So next, so this job has been posted on the official website of Cognizant. So I'll provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So if you are looking forward to read all the information in details, you can just visit that link. So here they have mentioned that they are hiring for the position of a programmer trainee, and the location of this job will be Chennai, that is Tamil Nadu. And here they have mentioned the job ID. And further, we'll talk about the qualifications. So in qualifications, they have mentioned all the science and engineering graduates are eligible for this job. And talking about the responsibilities, they have given like a very first responsibility will be requirement analysis. In requirement analysis, understanding and functional aspects of a client's requirement they have mentioned. And the second responsibility will be efficient task execution. And in the second responsibility, they have given a lot of points here. So you can read all these points by clicking on that link I'll provide in the description box of the video. And the third responsibility is documentation, that is assisting in creating documentations about client specific applications, project specific processes and workflows. So this is they have elaborated in documentation responsibility. And next will be fourth, that is participation in calls, status reporting. So in this, participating in daily stand-up calls and weekly calls, and participating in creating of weekly and monthly reports to clients. So this is they have mentioned in participation, that is the fourth responsibility. And the last responsibility will be learning and training. So going through project specific documents and boot camps to learn about client application suites, technology stacks used in the client environment, and attend any knowledge transition sessions conducted within the project to gain proficiency in project level knowledge. So these are the things they have mentioned in training. And further, they have mentioned here about the must-have skills for this job. So the must-have skill will be incident management. So this is a skill which is must. Talking about the employee status, so this is a full-time employee job, and the shift will be a day job. And this job has been posted on 1st of December on this official page of Cognizant. So this is a very good opportunity for all the science and engineering grads. So I'll provide all the links in the description box of the video. which will help you if you are willing to apply for this job. And also I'll provide the link for the Telegram channel of this channel, so that you can get quick update regarding such kind of job opportunities in Telegram also. So please don't forget to join the Telegram channel too. And please don't forget to subscribe, as I come up with these kind of job opportunities on a regular basis. So this will help you to get a good job. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.